Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman, and today I'll be walking through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, today we're going to be looking at the search term holiday light installation in Cicero, Indiana, but you'll notice that there isn't a lot of search volume for that search term. However, that doesn't mean that people aren't searching. That just means they're searching different variations of this search term. So, if you'll take a look here, we have holiday light installation near me, which generates about 1,300 searches every single month. So, a very big difference, but the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those 1,300 searches. That way we can guarantee that 1,300 people every single month see our business first before looking at another competitor. But in order for that to happen, there's a few different things that we're going to need to talk about and need to do to really get our website up in ranking. So let's take a look at your competitor site, see what they're doing there, and then we'll go back and compare that to your website. So let's go over there now. So one of the most important aspects that Google looks for is a very content-full website. And if we scroll down your competitor's site here, you're going to see that they have about 3 to 4 paragraphs of pretty massive content here, and a few other different paragraphs here and there. But ultimately, what you'll notice is that they have a ton of content on this page, and that is done on purpose because, like I said, having a very content-full site gives users something to engage with and ultimately promotes a positive user experience. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when they want to promote a website to the first page, is that we promote that positive user experience and have a ton of content. Now, if we took that one step further and started examining your competitors' content, we'd start to realize that they have tons of industry-specific keywords. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on those keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we have a content-full website, but that we also have the keywords to really back it up. So, let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. On your website, and if we scroll down here, I notice that you have some content here and there, but ultimately not a lot. And we want to change that because I think your site looks really great, but ultimately nobody's going to be able to see it if we can't get it up in ranking. So, like I said, we want a very contentful website. I normally like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words on any given page, but you can feel free to go above and beyond that if you'd like. However, like I said, we also need those industry-specific keywords. So we're going to want keywords like Christmas lights, Cicero, Indiana, all these different keywords that tell Google exactly what we want them to know about our business. Now, if we do all those things, that should really help set the foundation for our website and a really solid internal side of things. However, there's a whole separate part of this, which is going to be our external side of things, and that's going to be our backlinking and our citations. And those are going to be very important to help us climb the rankings because the internal side is going to tell us where we rank, whereas the external side is going to help us climb over our competitors. So let's go back to your competitor and take a look at their backlink structure, and then once again, we'll go back and compare that to your website. So here we are once again taking a look at your competitor and a tool I have called Ahrefs, and you'll notice that they have 110 backlinks built to their website, and ultimately it's bringing in about an extra 160 customers every single month. Now those 160 customers are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally, such as their 110 backlinks. Now the goal of this video is always to go bigger and better than our competition. So if they have 110 backlinks, we're going to want 220 backlinks, maybe even upwards of 500 backlinks to really push those margins and go above and beyond them. So let's take a look at your website and see how far you are or how close you are to that number. So here we are on your website now, and currently you have 16 backlinks built to your site, but you're not generating any traffic. And that's really hurting you because ultimately our website is a 24/7 salesperson for us. It makes sales at 3 in the morning and it makes sales at 10 at night. So we want to treat it like the 24/7 salesperson it is and really give it the resources it needs to close out those sales when necessary. And those resources are the content, the keywords, the backlinks, and really everything we've talked about up until this point. But there was one more thing in this video that I had mentioned, which was citations. So let's go back to the Google Map Pack really quick, talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. So here we are taking a look at the Google Map Pack, and the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different things when it ranks its companies, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books, Yelp. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I see you rank number 2 already, so I took it upon myself to take a look at the number 1 company in here and found that they had 72 citations built to their website. So once again, we always want to go bigger and better than them. So we're going to need 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our business is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that our website is bringing back for us month over month. And that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what can an extra 1,300 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman. I hope this video is very helpful, and thank you for watching.